We are cooking something healthy today and we are using the not so popular patola. And this is a very healthy vegetable. And I am going to stir fry our patola or our loofah with chicken and mushroom. So let's start by preparing our loofah. I have here a bit of chicken breast. This is about one whole chicken breast which I cut into strips. And I will just season it with a little bit of Maggi, Magic Sarap, and just you know, let it sit for a while as I prepare my patola or my loofah. No? Set that aside. Let that rest. When buying loofah, you have to make sure that it is young or else it has so much fiber because ito yung ginagamit pang hilo, di ba? When it's dry, when it's dehydrated. And we have to peel. The sequoia has a thick skin. And there are two kinds of our patola. One is this one with smooth like skin, and the other one has the ridges, diba? The very tough ridges. But we are using this today. I'm just peeling our patola, and I will just cut this in between. So you can remove the seeds of this if you want. Some people remove the seeds, some people don't. But today I'm removing the core, the seeds of our loofah or patola. And what I will do here, I will cut it diagonally. Cut it at a bias. And you will know if it's medyo matanda na yung ating patola is because it becomes tough. But this one's really very tender. And I'm just like preparing all of this now. Yeah, and that's done. Very simple. And I have here dried shiitake mushrooms, which I will just dice up and add to my stir fry later on. We're done. And I will also prepare a bit of slurry. Here, just water and cornstarch to thicken our sauce. I will also like dissolve a bit of oyster sauce in this. Just a bit. Yeah. Add a bit of soy sauce. And I'm adding a bit of sugar. That's it. And now we are ready. And let's start. Very quick stir fry recipe. A Chinese Taiwanese recipe. You may want to do at home. Very simple. So my wok is very hot. With a bit of oil. Now I am spreading my chicken pieces around. So we want our chicken to cook around 70-80% of the way because it will still cook with the other ingredients. Now I add my shiitake mushrooms. And we are cooking this recipe using island gas. Sigurado kang tama sa timbang. Onions, garlic, and lots of ginger. And I will just add, this ingredient is very optional. I tell you, you don't have to add it. But because I have it, I will use it. Just a bit of cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine, just a splash. And now we will add our sikwa in Visaya, our patola in Tagalog, or our loofah in English. And now I am adding my slurry. High heat, high heat, high heat. Oh, yan. Add our slurry. We know our loofah will release a bit of its juices as it cooks. We're almost done. Add a bit of magic just to balance the seasoning. Black pepper. Adding some sesame oil. And we are done. And we are trying to do a lot of healthy recipes here on the Chef Tatung YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to get notified for more recipes just like this one. Some healthy, some not so healthy. And we would like to thank Island Gas for sponsoring this video. And our recipe is done. And look at that. And if you have other recipes made with patola or loofah, please share them with us so we can try them too. And this one is so beautiful. Just a combination of chicken, mushrooms, and our loofah or patola. And it's time for me to taste. Oh, para authentic yung experience. Let's see if it brings me back to Taiwan. Let me taste. Ganyan, no? Ganyan lang yung luto nila sa patola. No? Still a bit firm. Not overcooked. Very nice. Nice. Lightly seasoned. I like this recipe. It's the first time for me to cook it, but I'm satisfied. Not everybody may like this recipe, but for people who love vegetables and want to eat healthier, this recipe is worth trying. Stir-fried chicken with loofah, Simpol!